Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, back again with another unboxing video. Now this is the Kwikset bed and bath, and if you look at doorknobs in a bedroom or a bathroom, you know they normally have that hole in one end and then the lock on the other. So we're going to open this up. Ow, cut myself. You got this piece. You got the piece that, you know, goes inside your, enables it to lock. You got that piece. You got your screws that match. And then you got your doorknob. And you can see here, on one side it's got the hole, so, you know, if somebody locked it, you could just push that and it would open. On the other side, it's got the little lock. Very cool. So if you haven't subscribed already, I encourage you to do so. youtube.com/IrixGuy, and share this video and any of my videos with others. And I've included a link within this video's description for where I ordered this from Amazon.com. Y'all have a good day.